With printed media loaded in the press, press the Set button on the sensor. The top LED blinks, and the display shows TCH. Press the Set button. The Teach LED is on solid, and the display shows 2P. Press the Set button again. The display changes to 1ST. Move the media so the sensor is directly over a printed black mark. Press the Set button. The display changes to 2ND. Move the stock so the sensor is over an unprinted area of the media. Press the Set button. A value between 0 and 100 will be displayed. You want to see a value close to 100. After a few seconds, the display will automatically go out of Teach mode and a number will be displayed. If ERR is displayed, repeat the calibration procedure, making sure to position the media correctly for each step. If the error continues, contact technical support.